Take 3, June 10th, Foodie Friday, National Iced Tea Day. Hi, this is Cameron F89 here in Azusa, California. Here at Citrus Crossing between Blaze Pizza and Van Shoes. Take 3, because we had idiots that wanted to play their music so loud. Well, for today being National Iced Tea Day, I wanted to try this Little Jasmine Foods pineapple green tea. Now, they're a small private company located in Los Angeles, California, and their story is, with the blended local cultures, we bring these unique items to our premium food and drink selection. I've never seen any of the foods, but just found the drink, so bear with me. We travel the world wide in order to source the best and authentic taste from all over Asia and Europe. Please enjoy these authentic and premium flavors. You can follow them on Instagram at littlejasminefoods.com. Little Jasmine Foods, FOODS.com. Or go to Facebook at / Little Jasmine Food. If you have any questions, you can contact them at info@littlejasminefood.com or go online to www.littlejasminefood.com. This is actually made in Taiwan and distributed by a company here in California. Now, there's about 2 servings per container, about 8.5 fluid ounces for a serving, 105 calories. It only has 37.5 milligrams of sodium, only 26.3 grams of total carbohydrates, which only has about 25.8 grams of total sugar. That's all added cane sugar. 1 milligram of calcium. There's also 23.4 milligrams of potassium in it. The ingredients are just water, cane sugar, pineapple concentrate juice, green tea, citric acid, flavor, green tea powder, sodium citrate, vitamin C. Now, tasted it, really good. No preservatives, just simple ingredients. It's a woman-owned company. Wholeheartedly recommend this. Check them out. It's nice, it's refreshing. The balance of the green tea to pineapple is kind of off, as I mentioned before. But very light pineapple scent to it. It's not overwhelming like normal juices are. Very refreshing. I don't taste any of the green tea at all. I wish it was just a little bit stronger in that regard, but that's my review for Little Jasmine pineapple green tea. I know it's a kind of short, sweet. I usually do these things as short and sweet. This will be posted on YouTube. I will have titles made on my phone, and hopefully, well, because of my situation in trying to get my laptop fixed, I found out that, well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to consider it either a lost cause or shell out $69 total in order to get the fan replaced by someone who offered me that as just basically a flat fee. I may have to get back in touch with that individual and tell them, okay, I'll bite the bullet and give the laptop to him, because I actually need a laptop to do other stuff. Now, I don't have my wireless microphone on. I figured I'd do this with just the wired for now and enjoy this along with It's cheese that's snapped. Here. Thin and crispy chips. Barbecue flavor. It's not bad. And as for this, there's about 7 servings per container, about 20 crisps for the serving size, 150 calories, 8 grams of total fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 4 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 2 grams of monounsaturated fat, excuse me. With only 280 milligrams of sodium, 19 grams of total carbohydrates, which includes 1 gram of dietary fiber, 1 gram of total sugar, and less than 1 gram of added sugars. There's 2 grams of protein in it, 0.7 micrograms of iron, 10 milligrams of calcium, and 60 milligrams of potassium in it. So yeah, the ingredients is, well, it contains wheat, milk, and soy ingredients. Package is recyclable. The barbecue is naturally flavored, made with 100% real cheese. And that's usually a blend of white cheddar cheese, modified cornstarch, dried potatoes, of course, soybean oil for freshness. They're okay. They're not bad. They're a bit cheesy, but I just don't taste the barbecue very much. The barbecue is kind of light. Does it pair well with this? Not really. If I had my druthers, I would actually pair this with a nice seafood salad. It's that refreshing and would complement well with either shrimp or crab or maybe even lobster salad. And since it's sweetened with cane sugar is, well, not that bad for you if taken in moderation. I'm sorry, bugs are coming around here and biting the heck out of me. But I do appreciate this. Of course, as I mentioned before, women owned, right here. Get in touch with them, support them as much as possible. And I am just going to call it the day. It's been a long day. Me trying to find work, get work, apply for work. It's just been one thing after another. So I want to thank you all for joining me, at least on this Friday. I'll definitely have something prepared for Music Monday and do a little singing. I do enjoy those who do come in who are entertained by this. I know it's always a short stream whenever I do stuff like this, but at least I want to be consistent and I want to give you guys something, just a little information, little taste of what I do, especially when I do my Music Mondays, Wildcard Wednesdays, and of course today, Foodie Fridays. And of course I corrected, it's June 10th. It's just been a tiring day. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Cameron F89 here in Azusa, California, in Citrus Crossing Mall between Lay's Pizza, Van Shoes, anywhere from between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and the guy's back. So I'm going to say bye-bye for now.